Okay, children. So today we are going to see the story of Princess September. Story of Princess September. She was the princess. She was not an ordinary girl. She was September, and it means that her parents, princess parents, must be a king and queen. So they had 9 daughters. The name of the eldest daughter was January, and the youngest one is Princess September. Now, why did queen give the names of month to their daughter? Reason is given there in the story. What was the what? Why they called their daughter by the name of months? And what kind of this girl was Princess September? How she was? What was her nature? Kaisi thi? We will see in this lesson that Princess September was very kind, very loving girl. She was different from all other sisters. जो बड़ी sister थी, elder, she was different from her. In what sense she was different? क्या different कैसे थी? Do you love animals and birds? Do you like birds? Yes.
Yes.
Do you like pets?
Yes, sir.
Do you like pets?
Yes, sir.
What kind of
Yes, sir.
birds do you like? Which are the birds you keep as a pet? कौन से birds है जो आप pet करके रख सकते हैं?
Parrot.
Parrot. Generally we keep parrots,
Dog.
pigeons, doves, right? Ducks.
Yes.
These are the. Now this story is about the Princess September and her love, about her pet bird. Pet bird के बारे में ये story है. This story is also shows us how kind that lady was, that girl was, that princess was towards birds and animals. And if you are kind to birds and animals, you will also get rewards. तुम्हें rewards मिलेंगे. What kind of rewards you can get? You may be what kind of rewards you will get? You will get good what? Good rewards. Good rewards मिलेंगे if you love animals and birds, right? So in this story you will see what kind of rewards Princess September got and what difficulties she faced. What happens when your pet dies? Pet, suppose you love the bird and suddenly that bird dies. There may be different reason for the death of the bird. But here you will see that there in this story you will see that her sisters, all elder sisters, were jealous of her pet bird, and they gave her advice. What advice she gave? To keep her pet in a cage. Now you see that the bird in cage on the free bird. Which bird do you think is happy bird?
Free bird.
Free birds. Why?
Free bird.
Yes. Why do you think that the bird which is free
Free bird.
is happier than the bird in cage? ऐसा क्यों लगता है जो बर्ड को आप केज में रखते हैं वो ज्यादा दुखी है वो बर्ड से जो फ्री है? Why do you think she is?
वो केजी होता है.
Yes. Shubham Vanaskar, can you tell me the bird which is in the cage is not happy like the bird which is free? Why? ऐसा क्यों लगता है शुभम? शुभम Vanaskar.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा. Why do you think the bird in cage is not happy like the bird which is free?
Because she cannot fly there.
Yes, the bird cannot fly as per his wish. अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार उड़ नहीं सकता है. और क्या रीजन हो सकता है?
वो अपनी
Yes, अपने मर्जी से जो चाहे वो खा नहीं सकता है. See, whether you give him the golden cage, whether you provide him the tastier food, even then the bird in cage is never happy. On the other hand, if the bird is free and if you love the bird, it is possible that that bird will stay with you. आप हम क्या करते हैं? Why do we keep the bird in cage? Because we are afraid that this bird will not stay with us. He will fly away. है ना? ऐसा होता है. लेकिन it is we have also seen many examples. Though the birds are free, they won't fly away, they will always stay with you. हमने ऐसे एनिमल्स भी देखे हैं, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी देखे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग उसको पालते हैं और they become harmless, even though they are wild they become harmless and they start loving, है ना. उनको जो आप those who take care of those animals and birds, they will also start loving their master. We have seen this example in our society too. Now in this story you will find that the Princess September, she had one bird and suddenly that bird dies, and then what happens, she become very unhappy. When she become unhappy, suddenly one bird come to her, एक bird आता है, and that bird is different from the earlier. पहले bird से ज़्यादा अलग है. How that bird is different? पहले का जो bird था, it was beautiful only, but the second bird which comes automatically to her, that bird is different because why? He can sing. He can sing a beautiful song. बहुत सुंदर गाने गाता है. And now what happens? The other sisters, they have the bird which is beautiful, but that bird can't sing. Their bird can't sing. So they become jealous. और jealous होने के बाद what do they suggest the Princess September को? क्या suggest करते हैं कि you keep this bird in the cage. इसको cage में रख दो. और and they listen. That girl, Princess September, listened to them. And when she put that bird in the cage, suddenly what happens? That bird stops singing. वो singing करना बंद कर देता है. And ultimately, that bird reaches to the verge of death. मरने के कगार पर पहुंच जाता है. And at last, she gives that bird freedom. उसको freedom देता है. And then she finds that again, that birds become like the previous one. पहले के तरह he starts singing also. This is the story. And now we will see the story paragraph wise. Okay, I have made a beautiful what you call it PPTs on this lesson. Let's see. We will start the lesson now. Do you see the screen now? Do you see?
Yes, sir.
You just count the how many girls are there. See, the king and queen is there. And there are 9 girls. Only actually you are seeing in 8 here, but there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is missing here. So now this is a story is of king and queen of Siam. Siam ka king and queen ki story hai, and he had many daughters, right? You see on the screen. And the queen found it confusing to remember so many names. So the king named them according to the months, and the youngest was called September. Now you will understand why the king and queen gave them name of months to their 9 daughters. क्या reason था रे? कि queen जो थी, queen found it confusing to remember so many names. Queen was confused. She did not remember so many names. उनको अपने बेटियों के इतने नाम याद नहीं रहते थे. Queen को. So she was confused. That's why the names of the months were given to their daughters. सभी daughters को months of name दिए थे. January, February, March, April. And that's why the youngest daughter, youngest में सबसे छोटी का नाम था September. Okay. Now second picture देखिए. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. Peculiar means strange habit थी उसको. विचित्र आदत थी उसको. What was his habit? He gave gifts on his birthday instead of receiving them. What was his habit? Generally, what happens when you celebrate your birthday? People give you gifts, right? You don't give gifts to the people. Do you give? आप देते हो क्या? On your birthday, do you give gifts to people? To your friends?
No.
No, sir. We receive the gift.
No.
लेकिन इसके habit, why was this habit called strange? इसकी habit strange क्यों थी? Because he used to give gifts on his birthday to his daughter instead of receiving. Instead of का अर्थ होता है in place of. मतलब चायवजी. Instead of receiving the gifts, he used to give the gifts to other people and also to his daughter. So one day what happened? One year on his birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughter a green parrot in a golden cage. Suddenly what happens? on one of his birthday, 1 year, एक साल उनके बर्थडे पर, what did he give? He gave his daughter green parrot in a golden cage. अपने golden cage में उसने क्या किया? He gave the parrots to all his daughters, all the 9 daughters. Why he gave parrots? Because he was not having anything else handy. Anything else handy means that day it was not possible for him. The things were not available with him. Things were not available. Gifts were not available. उसके पास gifts available नहीं थे. That's why he gifted his daughter a green parrot. All daughters, he gave to all daughters. He gave a green parrot in a golden cage. You can see here in the picture. He is handing over the parrot in a golden cage to his daughters. Then what happened? Let's see. Now you see here. What are the princes were very proud of their parrot. They were very proud. All the princes, all the 8 all the 9 what you call princes, they were very proud. Proud means both उनको गर्व महसूस हो रहा of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. And how did this play with the bird? They were spending 1 hour daily. Every day 1 hour they were spending, and they were teaching them what to talk. उसको पढ़ाना, बोलना वो सिखाते थे. क्या बोलते थे birds? Presently all birds could only 2 things. दो जो birds थे सभी के, they were only saying only 2 words. 2 words. कौन सी 2 words थे वो? Only 2 things, but in no less than 7 Oriental language. 2 sentences बोलते थे. आप यहाँ पे देखते थे 2 words. Pretty Polly, God save the king. Or the same words, the same sentence they used to speak in 7 different languages. 7 different, जो 7 अलग अलग प्रकार की भाषा में 2 ही सेंटेंस वो बोला करते थे. Which were those 2 sentences? Pretty Polly, God save the king. Okay, these 2 sentences they used to speak, the birds. Then what happened? This is the picture of Princess September. यहाँ पर देखिए. But one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. So Princess September also got the bird, parrot in a golden cage. The bird also was speaking the same sentence, God save the king, Pretty Polly. So one day when she went to the cage in the morning, what did she find? She found that her bird was lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. The bird was dead. पक्षी मरा हुआ था at the bottom, नीचे, at the cage. So naturally what happened? She burst into flood of tears. She was very sad. She was very unhappy, and she started crying. रोना शुरू कर दिया. Then, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. Maids of honor. Maids of honor का अर्थ होता है जो दासियां होती है, जो वुमन सर्वेंट्स होती है, जो दासियां होती है, मेड ऑफ ऑनर उसको कहते हैं. They could not comfort her. Comfort में console her. Console her का अर्थ क्या होता है? सांत्वना नहीं कर पाए उसको समझा नहीं पाए. कौन? Maids of daughter, maids of honor. They came, lady servants came. They tried to console her, but they could not do that. They failed. Then what happened? So what happened? Naturally, she cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen. These maids of honor, जो servants थी, दासियां थी, she went to the queen and they told the queen that Princess September bird is dead and she is crying very bitterly. जोर जोर से रो रही है. She is beside herself with grief and refused to eat. उन्होंने ये बताया कि that Princess September is very sad and she is not taking the food. She is not eating anything. इस पे कौन कलाकारी कर रहा है? ऐसा कलाकारी नहीं करना है बेटा स्क्रीन पर. She is beside. This is the. These are the maids of honor. They went to the यहाँ पर queen के पास गए और उन्होंने बताया कि she is not eating. She is not eating anything. And what was the reply of the queen? Queen ने क्या आंसर दिया उसको? It is stuff and nonsense. Stuff and nonsense. बेवकूफी है. She is a foolish girl. She is not behaving properly. The child had better go to bed without any supper. Supper means last food of the day, dinner. उन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया क्वीन ने, ओके दिस इज वेरी बैड ऑन हर पार्ट, दिस इज नॉट गुड ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द क्वीन. प्रिंसेस के ये जो बिहेवियर अच्छा नहीं है, तुम क्या करो, डोंट गिव हर फूड टुडे, डोंट गिव टू फूड हर डिनर टुडे, लेट हर गो टू बेड विदाउट सपर, उसको सोने दो बिना खाने की. व्हाट डज इट शो? इससे क्या पता चलता रहे? व्हाट kind or strict? Do you think the queen was very kind mother?
No.
How was she? How was she?
No, sir.
She was very strict. Was strict. Why do you think she is strict? Why do you think she was very strict? बोलते जाओ पीयूष.
When the Princess September was, she said, "Did not give food."
She told the maids of honor, don't give her food, don't give her dinner. Okay, then the queen did not bother much. The queen didn't bother much. Bother means she did not worried. She was not very kind. She was very strict. So she didn't bother. उसने कोई चिंता नहीं की, जान दो, रोती है तो रोने दो. Then here the maids of honor wanted to go to the party. Now maids of honor again came back to the chamber of the Princess September, and they were in hurry. वो जल्दी में थी. Why? They wanted to go to the party. These maids of honor wanted to go to the party. So what did they do? They put the Princess September to bed and quickly went to the party. They put her in the bed, usko sula diya. They did not give her food to eat and they went away to the party. Next.
Mommy.
आवाज आ रही है? अब यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर देखिए, and while she lay in her bed, the Princess September was sleeping on her bed, and you see these are the maids of honor. They left, they went away. Now she was alone. Princess September was alone. She was sleeping in her bed, and while she lay in her bed, crying still, even though she felt rather hungry. She was feeling very hungry because she did not get the food. And even then she was crying and she could not sleep. वो सो नहीं पा रही थी. She was feeling hungry. She was sad. Nobody was there to comfort her. Then what happened? She suddenly saw a little bird hop into her room. Suddenly she saw a little bird. Here you see, hop into her, came into jump, two of this jump. Hopping करते हुआ she saw one bird came in the room. कोई तो भी उधर से आवाज आ रही बेटा, उधर से आवाज मत करो, अनम्यूट कर लो सभी अपने आप को. She saw a bird coming into her room. She wiped her tears and sat up. She wiped her tears. उसने आंखें पोंछी and she sat up. She sat up. Actually she was not sleeping, right? Then the little bird began to sing. The bird came in her room and the bird started singing. उसने sing करना शुरू कर दिया. Then what did the bird sing? Now the bird was new. Actually it was not her old bird. Her bird had died. The new bird came. The bird entered through the window. That time she was alone, and when the bird came, he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden. Okay, and the willow tree that looked at itself in the still water, and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. Now you see, what song did the bird sing? कौन सा गाना गाया? He sang a song all about the lake in the king's garden. Lake. There was a king garden. In the king garden, there were many lakes. Lakes थे, तालाब थे. उसके बारे में गाना गाया. Then he sang the song about the willow trees. जो trees थे willow के. Willow trees आपको मालूम है? From the wood of the willow trees, cricket bats are made. क्रिकेट की बैट बनती है विलो ट्रीज की, उसके बारे में उसने गाना गाया. ही द विलो ट्रीज दैट लुक एट इटसेल्फ इन द स्टिल वाटर. जो रिफ्लेक्शन होता है ट्रीज का, ये देखो यहाँ पर, ये रिफ्लेक्शन जो है वो ट्रीज का रिफ्लेक्शन जो पानी में गिरता है. ही sang the song about the willow trees. He sang the song about the lake in the king's garden. And again he sang the song of goldfish. Goldfish जो होती है, that glided in, and glided means that moved, that swim in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. अब देखिए branches की जो images थी, it was reflecting, they were reflecting in the water. उसमें image गिरी थी, reflect हो रहा था पानी में. और इसके अंदर जो थे goldfish, the goldfish were swimming. तो गोल्ड स्विमिंग जो ब्रांचेस थी ट्री की जो पानी में दिख रही थी उसमें से इन एंड आउट कर रही थी. सो द बर्ड sang the song about the goldfish too. तो आपको क्वेश्चन आता है, what did the birds sing the song about? The birds sing the song about, number 1, about the lake in the king's garden. Second, about the willow trees, and about the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next picture देखिए. Next picture.
Yes, sir.
Listen,
Yes,
listen.
sir.
Okay, beta. When he
Yes, sir.
finished, when he means who here? He means the bird. When
Yes,
he
sir.
finished the singing, what happened? The princess was very happy. Actually, now you see she is happy. Actually, she was very sad. She was crying. But now she woke up. She got up from the bed. Bed से उतरी. And क्या कहते हैं? That was a very nice song. She said, your song was very nice. The princess was not crying anymore now. Now she was not crying. And she quite forgot that she had had no supper. Supper means dinner. She forgot that. She had no supper. She had not taken any food. She forgot about it. And she became very happy. And it means that this bird helped her to come out of her sadness. To come out of her sadness. ये bird के song के कारण वो अपने दुख से बाहर आई थी. और the little bird gave her a bow. झुककर उसने उसको प्रणाम किया. bow म्हणजे झुकना. The little bird gave her a bow. उसने झुककर उसको सलाम किया, greet किया. Then what does the bird say to her? Bird क्या कहता है? Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? क्या कहा रे उसने? Would you care to have me in place of care means will you keep me as a pet? Will you give me the status of your pet? Will you keep me as a pet with you? मुझे अपना पेट बनाओगी क्या? तुम्हारे पक्षी की जगह मुझे रखोगी क्या? Okay, it is true that I am not so pretty to look at. It is true. ये सच है कि I am not as beautiful as the parrot. तुम्हारे parrot के साथ I am not beautiful. But on the other hand, I have a much better voice. But remember, I have much better voice than the parrot. मैं तुमसे पैरट से ज्यादा अच्छा गा सकता हूँ. So princess clap, you know, clapping. She's clapping. ताली बजाई at clap her hands with delight. Delight means happiness. So you can see that Princess September now became very happy. Why did she become happy? Because she got the bird which could sing beautiful songs. Though that bird was not as beautiful as the parrot, but it had a very good voice. That's why the Princess September was again very happy and she clapped with joy. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
अभी थोड़े questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will ask some questions on it, on
Yes,
this
sir.
part. अभी ये
Yes, sir.
meeting 5 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगा. But before that, we will discuss some questions. Now, first, tell me, why did the queen give the name of months to her daughter? Queen. Why did she tell? Murlidhar, I'm sorry, Shubham Vanaskar, tell. Raise the hand, I will ask one by one. Shubham, why do you think?
She was facing problem to remember the names of her daughters, so she gave them the names of months.
Yes, yes, very good. Now, next question. What was the name? What was the name of the eldest daughter? साक्षी, साक्षी मेकर, हाँ साक्षी,
January.
जिनको पूछता है उन्होंने आंसर देना है. साक्षी, टेल मी व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द एल्डेस्ट डॉटर? साक्षी मेकरकर. She is not there. Okay. Now next question. What was the habit of the king? Raise the hand. What was the habit of the king?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, on his gift,
Yeah.
give the gift.
Yeah. Who is answering? Sakshi.
Sir, मतलब
Yes,
उसे
you are right. You are right. Tell
तो
me your
वो
name. हाँ, yes. कौन आंसर दे रहा है? वैष्णवी.
गिफ्ट देते थे, वो लेना अच्छा लगता था.
Yes, he used to give gifts on his birthday, right? Instead of receiving, he used to. Okay, Shreya, you tell me why this habit is called peculiar? ये habit को peculiar क्यों कहते हैं? Shreya,
Yes, sir.
the king used to give gifts on his birthday, but this habit is called peculiar. Why? गोपाल, can you answer? वो हैबिट पेक्यूलियर स्ट्रेंज क्यों थी रे किंग की जो गिफ्ट देने की? गोपाल भोयर,
No, sir.
Because sir,
No, sir.
बोल बेटा. Who will answer? Who will answer? शिवम हरने.
sir,
शिवम हरने नहीं, कोई भी दो दूसरा. पीयूष, हाँ बोलो बोला, बोलो. That habit
sir,
is. हाँ, बोलो. Generally, what
because
happens?
everybody takes gifts on the, because everybody take gifts on his
Our birthday.
birthday, but he gives the gift
Yes.
our birthday, but he gives gift on his birthday.
Yes, very good. Because generally what happens? We give gifts. We receive gifts actually. We don't give gifts. So that is why this habit is called peculiar, right? Very good. So what did the king give one year to his all daughters? What gift he gave?
Parrot.
Vaishnavi?
Parrot.
Vaishnavi?
Parrot.
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 Sir, golden cage in parrot.
Yes, golden cage. Parrots in a golden cage, right? Correct. Or those birds could only say 2 sentences in 7 different languages. What were those 2 sentences? Gopal?
What sir?
Gopal will tell. Gopal Boyer.
Yes, no, sir.
Gopal Boyer ने देत आंसर. अजून कोण देईल?
God save the king.
Anyone?
God save the king.
God
God save
God save the king.
and
God
second,
save the king.
and
And
second,
Pretty Polly. Pretty Polly.
Pretty Polly. Yes, and in 7 different languages. 7 different
Sir.
languages. Now, okay. tell-
Languages.
Princess
Sir.
September was crying one day. Why?
Sir, peculiar.
Because parrot was dead.
Because
Early morning, that his parrot
Parrot was dead.
died.
Parrot was dead.
Parrot was dead.
and who brought her from the